In 5 seconds, Earth loses oxygen completely. Engines die, planes drop, concrete begins to fail. Ready? Hold your breath. Now. Breath? What would happen to the atmosphere? What would happen to the environment? This is infinite theory, and here's what happens when the world loses oxygen for just 5 seconds. First, take a deep breath. Feel how satisfying that is. What you're breathing is oxygen, and it makes up roughly 21% of our atmosphere. About 78% is nitrogen. It isn't the most abundant gas, but it's the most important. Without oxygen, plants, animals, water chemistry, and we humans wouldn't be where we are today. 5 seconds may not sound like a lot. Most of us can go 30 seconds without a breath, so it would happen too fast for your body to even notice. Your breathing would actually remain normal. But everything else? Not so much. In those 5 seconds, the world's great concrete structures, the big dams, ancient domes, and anything made of concrete, would instantly start to fail. Oxygen acts as a kind of binding agent in concrete. Without it, concrete is just dust. Speaking of buildings, any untreated metal would suddenly cold weld. A thin oxide layer on metals normally prevents welding. Without that barrier, metals would instantly bind. If you happen to be on a beach at the moment, expect a severe sunburn. The ozone layer, our shield against the sun's UV rays, is made of oxygen. Take away oxygen and Earth would become extremely dangerous. There'd be nothing protecting us from the sun's UV. Meanwhile, your inner ears would be in trouble. Losing oxygen means losing about 21% of air pressure. A drop like suddenly going from sea level down 2,000 meters. Your ears wouldn't have time to adapt. Having a good time? Don't expect it to last. Without oxygen, there's no fire. Combustion in engines and vehicles wouldn't occur. Any transport that isn't electric would instantly fail. Planes would fall from the sky, and millions of cars would stop in their tracks. The sunlight reaching us would be darker before it hits the ground. Normally, light from the sun bounces off many particles in the air, but without oxygen in the atmosphere, there's less to scatter, so the sky would appear dark. And while all this is happening, Earth's crust would start to crumble. That's because the crust is about 45% oxygen by mass. Take the oxygen away, and the structure would continue to fail until there's almost nothing solid left, sending everyone on the planet into a kind of free fall. Sound fun? Probably not. But luckily, you can take a deep breath, 21% oxygen, knowing this will never happen. For more things that are fun to imagine, keep checking back with Infinite Theory. Don't forget to like and subscribe.